processing unit that deals with both arithmetic and logic functions. A simple example of the arithmetic logic unit will be, I'll say, Mr. Pera will be CPU and mine will be arithmetic logic unit. When Mr. Pera wants to install the MathClass software, he will then delegate the responsibility to mine. So mine acts as the arithmetic logic unit. So this is a study diagram for 2 or 3 bits arithmetic logic unit. As you can see, we have 10 inputs and then we have 7 outputs. When F is to select the side which you want to compare your data, when you change S, when 0, then the arithmetic logic unit will function in 2 bits. But when you change S to 1, it will function in 3 bits. F is the mode. When you want to use the arithmetic logic unit, use the logic unit, you select N as 0. But if you want to change to arithmetic unit, you change N to 1. And that's not just what I just to select the functions that are available for the arithmetic logic unit. This is a simple, when you select not S, not F, not S, not S, and not S1. The X is 2 bits and A. You only have 2 bits, which is A and B. A1 and B0, A1, B1, A0 and B0. You get 2 outputs. And these are all the functions that are available when you use it as a logic unit. When size is 2. So you can use it either as an AND gate, an NAND gate, an XOR gate, or an OR gate. When S is high, that means the size changes, the number of gates increase. You have now you have 3 AND gates comparing 3 logic gates. And when you change the select inputs, you can change from 3 bits to 3 bits NAND, 3 bits XOR, 3 bits OR. And when you change the mode now, you are changing it from logic unit to an arithmetic unit. So it will function as an arithmetic unit. An arithmetic unit is the one that adds the number integer. You can add 1 plus 1 using this 2-bit header. But if you change the size, it will add 3-bit number. That is 6 up to 7. So this one is a 3-bit header, and this one is a 2-bit header. So as you change the size and the modes, you're using the arithmetic logic unit. I call it an arithmetic or logic unit because it is used interchangeably. You cannot use the device anytime. When the CPU wants to add 2 numbers, it will assign the responsibility to the arithmetic logic unit, which is why I use the Pera and mine example.
Amba.